There are tons of skills out there that one can choose from to the point that one can almost get confused. But if you're looking at picking up a skill in 2025, I strongly recommend that you pick graphic design. First, because it's a fun thing to do, and it also doesn't require you having a lot, or it doesn't require much. All you need is having the basic knowledge, which is the elements and principles of design, and understanding how to manipulate design softwares, which is their design softwares like Adobe Illustrator, uh, Adobe Photoshop, CorelDRAW, and a host of them. And Affinity Designer 3 Studio is out now. Affinity 3 Studio is out now and it's free forever.
We're really proud to announce that the all-new Affinity is entirely free, forever, for everyone.
So they said. And I think it's something that anyone venturing into picking graphic design as a craft should um, grab to learn. It's an opportunity. And why I said graphic design doesn't require much is that all you really need in terms of equipment, hardware, is just your laptop and a mouse. You don't need anything more than that. And forget about the fact that you see other people with fancy equipment, with wide monitor displays and all that. Uh, I don't think you necessarily need all that as a beginner. All you need, like I said earlier, is just your mouse and your laptop, and you're good to go. And the most important thing is that you keep harnessing your skills, you keep growing, you keep learning by the day. It's not an easy path, but it's an enjoyable path, and it's a fun-filled pathway to go. And the process is interesting. You get to learn a lot of things, you get to know better things, you get to see everything as design. And which leads to the second thing I want to talk about, why I strongly advise that you should stick to graphic design this year 2026, is the fact that design is everywhere. Design is used everywhere and is used every day. So everywhere you go to, you see designs on people's clothings, on cars, the logos, on plate numbers, you see typography, on billboards, on design packages or product packages, on almost everything you see daily, you are exposed to graphic design. So it's something that you can't do without. It's something that is here to stay. Most things that attract people to buy a product, basically from first impressions, is not really the usage of the product or the value of the product. Most times it's the packaging. So that's why when you go to stores or when you go to bookshelves, for example, the way the writer packaged the book, the type of color choice, the typography used, these things are the things that comes together to make that piece of material inviting for to its readers. So, and when you step into stores too, you see colorful packages, colorful canned drinks, and the likes. These are the things that lure a consumer to want to buy the product. And the designers behind this product, they are intentional because they want to position these products as something that is appealing to whoever comes in contact with it. So design is something that you get to see every day and everywhere. The money we spend is design. It's still print, it's design, and all these things are combined together is design you encounter every blessed day. And one other thing I would strongly advise that anyone looking for a skill this year should venture into graphic design is because design will never go extinct. Graphic design will never go extinct. I don't know if AI is going to take anybody's job or if AI is going to replace graphic designers. I'm not certain, because if it would have done that to a lot of us. But I guess the graphic designers that AI will replace their job is those that are not really taking advantage of the AI tool to save time while making their designs. So AI is not really going to take anybody's job, any designer's job, if you're up to date, if you keep building your skill, and if you solve client problems. That's the most important thing, that you solve client problems as a designer, as a graphic designer. So whatever it is graphic design will not go extinct, because look at from inception, for lots of years now, we've been seeing graphic design come to play in advert, on newspapers, on a lot of things, and a whole lot of things. So that's my take, and this is just a quick video of encouraging anybody who's looking for a skill to venture into. I remember when I was learning graphic design, it was kind of difficult. I was begging a couple of people to learn me how, or to teach me how to manipulate CorelDRAW, then the design software. But at some point, I took it upon myself to really spend time, spent a couple of days, a couple of months, stayed on the internet, got the necessary materials I need on YouTube, and learned Adobe Illustrator. That was it for me. I now became the person teaching other people how to use Adobe Illustrator. Even the guys I was asking to help me learn CorelDRAW, I was now teaching them Adobe Illustrator. Plus, I learned the CorelDRAW, and ever since, it's a game changer for me. I just pick up a software that I feel I'm interested in, and I get to learn that software. I won't say I get to that professional level. At least I get to that mid level, that intermediate level, where I can manipulate the software and get results. So as time goes, or as you grow, you just keep getting better while using the results. So it's the thing for me. So you're looking for a skill to learn in 2026, graphic design is an option. And I'm not putting a gun to your head or a knife to your neck that you must learn graphic design. I'm just saying graphic design is a fun craft, or is a fun skill to learn. You enjoy the process while solving problems. So yeah, that's about it for this video. I'm not going to take much of your time, and thank you for stopping by once again to watch this video. I still remain my humble self, Kankara the Benjamin, the professional apprentice, aka Pro App. Don't forget to put God first and create a game. Peace, and I'm out.